Hi students, this is Alex here. In this problem, we have given solve d square plus d plus 1 into y equal to 0. As per the procedure, we have to write the auxiliary equation first, which is m square plus m plus 1 equal to 0. Now the product is 1 and sum is also 1. It is not possible to factorize. So we have to use a quadratic equation formula. The quadratic equation is in terms of m. So m is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now the values of a, b and c we have to take from the quadratic equation. The value of a is m square coefficient, which is 1, and b is m coefficient, which is 1, and c is a constant, which is 1. Everything is 1. So m equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So 2 into 1. So totally we get minus 1 plus or minus root of, this is 1 minus 4, which is minus 3 divided by 2. And this can be written as minus 1 plus or minus I root 3, and we have divided by 2, which I will take individually, so that this we can compare with alpha plus or minus I beta. So from this, by comparison, we know alpha is minus 1 by 2 and beta is root 3 by 2. So as per the procedure, a complementary function is e power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So by substituting the value of alpha, we get minus e power minus 1 by 2 into x. Bracket open. C1 cos beta is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2x plus C2 sin root 3 by 2x. And the other side of the equation is 0, so there is no particular integral. Therefore, when we write the solution as CF plus PI, we have y equal to this entire term will come, and particular integral is 0. So this is the complete solution.